On to our problem set. Let's read the directions and attack our set here, okay? So, we have read the questions carefully, write your answers in the answer boxes. Represent the number 90,523 in multiple ways. Multiple means many. We're going to show 90,523 on the place value chart below. Okay, so here we go. So what I need to show is this exactly like that. So the place value chart, I'm going to show my 9 in this place. The thousands place has got 0. The hundreds place has 5. Tens place has 2. And the 3 place, there it is, just like that. 90,523. Now I'm going to write it in word form. Okay, word form is just like this. So word form, I have to write it out, 90,523. And this is where this paper comes in super handy. I'll tell you how to spell these things, okay? So I'm going to keep that to the side and make sure that I get them spelled correctly. So when I say start off here is 90,000, okay, same exercise we did yesterday. I'm going to look up 90. I always misspell 90. And when I say it, I actually say 9D. I make this T into a D sound. It's not, it's a T. 90,000, THOUSAND, 90,500. I put a little comma there to kind of mimic that same comma. 500 23. So when I write down numbers between 21 and 99, most of those numbers, like 23, it's got a little dash in between, just like you see here, like 27, 58, okay? Those have a little dash in between, just like that, okay? And then I need to write it in expanded form, okay? So expanded form, we're just writing these out as the place values are, okay? So that would be, this one is here is in the 10,000s place, so I'm going to put my 9, then it's going to do the rest zeros. 90,000, and remember we add, okay? I don't have any thousands, so I'm just going to skip over that one. There's 0 there, I don't need it. Then I'm going to go straight to the hundreds. Then I go to my tens. There's 2 tens, 2 tens. And then to my ones, 3. There's expanded form. Okay. Teachers, feel free to pause this and explain anything along the way. Students, don't be afraid to raise your hand and ask for things to be paused, or tell the teacher that you need to slow down or something like that, okay? There we go. So we've got it written in 3 different ways. Now we're going to represent the number, okay? Is up top here. This number is 905,203. Notice I didn't say and at all because there's no decimal place value. So here, I'm going to show this in my place value chart. Sometimes it's easier to work from the ones place up. So I can say 3, there's 0 tens, there's 2 hundreds, there's 5 thousands, 0 10,000s, and then 9 in the 100,000s, okay? I can put a little comma there if I want. So I got 905,203. So we're gonna write that in word form. By all means, if you're ready to rock, you may go ahead. Here's my words, gonna use those. I have 900 5. Okay, so that's what that says, 905. And now I'm crossing that comma. That's when I'm going to say 1,000. And if you write too big here, you're going to run out of space. And then I say the rest of my number, 203. Not 203, 203. So I say 203. No need for a dash. 203. And that's that. Now I write it out in expanded form. Okay, in expanded form, you kind of blow up the whole number here. Okay, so I start with my highest place value, which is 900,000. So 900,000. And then I add that to the next place value. Oh, that's 0. I don't need to write down 0, so I move to the next one. That's 5,000, so I'm adding 5,000. Then I'm adding that to my hundreds, which is 200. And then my tens, there's none there, so I just add my ones. And there's expanded form for you. Okay, pretty cool. All right, on down here. I love these charts here. All right, this helps us out a little bit. I can see standard form, word form, and expanded form. So I see here standard form is when the number is just written the regular old way that we do it any other time. Word form, we write it out in words. And then expanded form is when we blow it up, okay? So each one of us has one clue. So feel free to get started with this. I will work through it. Check back in if you have a question, okay? So 2,480. So 2,480. 2,480. Got it. All right. In expanded form, 2,000 plus 400 plus 80. 2,480. That's expanded form. Pretty cool. So I've got 20,482. Okay, so 20, and I'm writing small here, making sure I've got room. 20,000 100 82. Notice I put the dash in, 82, okay? And then over here, I just write it out. 20,482. All right, keep going along. 64,106. 64,106. So I have to put a 0 here in the tens place to carry the 6 into the 1 place. So that's 106, okay? That's right, a little bit tricky. So now I write it out in expanded form. It's 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 100 plus, oh, there's no tens. So I'm just gonna skip to my ones, 6, okay? This one, 604,016. So 600 4,000 comma 16. So then, expanded form, I start with my highest number at 6, and it's got 5 digits after it, so they're all going to be zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 600. Now I don't have any 10,000s, it's 0, so I don't have to write that in here. So I go to the next place value, that's 4,000s. 4,000s. Then I go to the next number, the hundreds place. Look at the hundreds place, no hundreds. So I just have to write in 110 and then 16. Okay? And then finally, down here, 960,060. So you can finish writing that up. I'm running short on time. Teachers, feel free to go through and finish this last one up with the kids. Make sure you have enough time, though, to do the topic quick check, the topic A quick check in their Chromebooks, okay? So if there's not enough time to finish that and do that, just move on to the form, okay? All right, kids, we'll see you on Friday. Great job today.